Alright, we're out here in Eastern Michigan magnet fishing. I am joining today Motor City Magnet Fisher, the Michigan Magnet Man, and one more to come, which will be Muck and Nails. The first big piece that I've pulled up today. I am using the Artemis today. Magnetic, the Motor City Magnet Fisher let me use his daughter's magnet. I thoroughly enjoy this magnet. Alright, took 4 of us to come along. A huge rope and a lot of effort. But we have a Honda 600. 1998 too.
If you know your party's extension, please dial it at any time during this message. To make a police report, for general information assistance, questions about inmates, impounded vehicles, or impounded property, or if you need to speak to a police officer or have a police car sent to your location, dial 3105. For traffic ticket, court date, warrant, or bond information, please hang up and dial.
Thank you for calling Inkster Police Department. This call is being recorded. If you do not wish to be recorded, please disconnect at this time.
So you don't get any help.
We just pulled a motorcycle out of the river down here. I got the VIN number and everything off of it. We wanted to know what you guys would like us to do with it.
Okay, you said it's a motorcycle?
Yeah, it's a motorcycle. It's a 98 Honda, probably CBR 650 or something like that.
Get all of the social obligations out of the way. That works. Stamp somewhere though. Like right there. That's a good tag.
That's a Honda.
Yeah.
So that's a valid Honda tag. They're just not getting any record back on it.
Yeah, I ran it through NICB while I was on the phone, and nothing came back on that from the insurance carriers. There's too much mud on this side there.
Honda 600.
Yeah, it's right here on the label too. CBR 600 F3.
Yeah. So this is a rocket. So the part that would have it is.
So I just pulled up what appears to be a motorcycle frame that's been cut. Talk about stolen property, huh? So there it is, folks, my first magnet I've ever found. It's an old square one, it's kind of wore out, but still cool. Actually, I don't think I videoed how much junk we have. Almost a full barrel and all kinds of stuff. So the haul over the weekend was a little heavier than I thought. Weighed in at 640 pounds this time.